Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Henry, and so before the video, I just want to say thanks to you guys for making our channel achieve a very big goal. It's to achieving 2,000 views. It means that we have successfully transferred our knowledge to the other 2,000 person, which means that I have helped a lot of people to achieve the dream in coding somehow, some way or another. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you so much for helping my channel to reach this intense view records. Okay, not taking it long. Let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to code a really simple and very popular algorithm that mostly used for artificial intelligence algorithms or Internet of Things. So its name is Recursion. So you can search on the internet for many explanations, but I'm going to give you the simplest explanation that you can ever hear of. So recursion is just you create a function and then recall it in that function. So it means that it recalls itself and it runs infinitely. So what do I mean by infinitely? Because if we don't set a condition, it will run like forever, non-stop. It's like a square in a square and a square smaller in a smaller square. So just for simple, the recursion consists of the function call and then the base condition, which means it will stop the recursion if the condition is met. So base condition, and then we have the recursion. Okay, so this is the basic and the simple formula of the recursion algorithm. So I'm gonna make an example. So I'm gonna enter an a number integer one. So enter a number to recursive plus from uh, 1 to n. Okay, and then we're gonna create a function def to n. You can name it whatever you want, and you pass the n in. Wait, sorry. Okay, to n and pass n in. I'm gonna name it number then. Number. Okay, so okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is to create a base um base condition. So if number equals 0, then return 1. And since it returns, it means that the loop of the recursion will be broken. So we don't really need to use else, but if you like, you can use return number plus with 2n number is 1. So this is the base. So this is the recursion one. We call it from the inside of it, a smaller square in a bigger square. Okay, this is the uh, recursion part, and this is the base condition. Okay, alright guys, so after we have made a function which is recursion one, then we're gonna print it out because we only have return. Okay. Oh, so I'm gonna explain this. So if we enter like 5, then it will be like 5 plus with 2n number minus 1, so it means 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and it will call to 0. But since we have set the condition is 0 equal to 1, it means false. Then there will be only this 5, 5, 5, 5, and then we return the sum of this. Okay, then we can even print the number out in this, but just to illustrate, so I'll print the 2n and pass the number in here. Okay, pretty simple, right? So I'm gonna run the code. Okay, so we're gonna enter some numbers. So for example 5, it returns 16. So we're gonna try adding things up. Okay, 5 plus 4 equals 9, plus 3 equals 12, 14, and 15. Whoa, okay, something is wrong. Okay, let's define the things, and I'll explain it again later. Okay guys, I have come back, and the reason why it takes 16 as the result is because of this return. So it doesn't consider this boolean value, but it considers this as an integer also. So it means that if we put it is return 1, then we will have 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 1 here to 16. So to fix this issue, we will return 0. It's the best way to solve this problem. Okay, so at this rate, I think it will work properly. So we will enter 5 to see if it will return 15 or not. Okay, it returns 15 as expected. So we wanna enter another number. So 100, 100. Okay, you can add it up to examine in your calculator and make some calculations to check if the algorithm runs right or not. But yeah, so this is a simple recursion, and I just want to introduce to you this algorithm since it's very useful during your college years that you can design and add it to your code. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and successfully make a new recursion version of this. Oh, and by the way, you can use recursion to do binary search. You can search for the idea on Google. It's really simple to understand things. Okay, I hope you have a great day and learn the code successfully. Goodbye.